Car Hub, where passion meets performance and every car tells a story. Today we're diving into the Chevrolet Camaro, a name that has echoed through generations of speed lovers and muscle car fans. The Camaro is more than just a car. It's an American icon born in the late 60s to challenge the Mustang and stand as a true symbol of performance and attitude. Over the years, it has evolved in power, style, and technology, but its heart has always been about pure driving excitement. The latest Chevrolet Camaro continues that tradition with aggressive styling, a low and wide stance, and performance that delivers on every level. Depending on the trim, you can get everything from a turbocharged four-cylinder that balances power and efficiency to a fire-breathing V8 in the SS and ZL1 versions that roar with authority. Every engine is paired with a finely tuned suspension and sharp handling dynamics that make the Camaro just as comfortable on the street as it is thrilling on the track. Inside, the Camaro is built for the driver. The cockpit wraps around you with performance seats, digital gauges, and a high-tech infotainment system that keeps you connected. With optional features like heads-up display, launch control, and performance data recorders, the Camaro blends old-school muscle with modern-day intelligence. Chevrolet has put serious effort into making this car not just fast, but also refined, offering comfort without losing the raw edge that makes the Camaro legendary. Whether you're into quarter-mile runs, canyon carving, or just cruising with that deep exhaust note, the Chevrolet Camaro delivers an experience that few cars in its class can match. It's a name that commands respect on the road and admiration at every car meet. If you love speed, style, and a heritage built on performance, the Camaro might just be the perfect machine for you. Drop your favorite Camaro year or model in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Hub for more power-packed reviews and muscle car legends.